in today's video we'll see how to draft a floor plan from a blank sheet in AutoCAD. There are multiple types of layers which are used to draft a floor plan in AutoCAD. As you can see on the screen, a list of layers which are used to draft a presentable floor plan in AutoCAD. First is units and walls, then doors and windows, furniture blocks, hatches, text and dimensions. So in this video we'll see how to draft a wall as per the perfect scale with the help of reference image in AutoCAD. So let's get started. When you will start the AutoCAD, you will get this kind of display. For the new drafting or a new file, you have to press on Start Drawing, and to open any old files, you have to click on the Open Files. Currently, we are working on a blank sheet and we are drafting from the start point. So we'll click on Start Drawing. As you can see on the screen, a grid. To off that grid, we'll click on this grid off button, or you can do it by F7 also. So we'll get this kind of display. Here you have to press a command. These all are the functions and a menu bar you can call for the drafting, where you have multiple drafting elements. To start any drawing or drafting, you have to set a unit. So for that, I will type U and enter in command box. You will get this kind of display. As I am working on meters, so I will select meter and 0.00 and OK. I have a reference image or a reference plan. To insert that plan, I will go on Insert, Attach Files, and my image is in the desktop, so I will click on the desktop, and by selecting the image and pressing the OK button, by dragging that image, you will get image in your laptop screen or in AutoCAD. To scale up this image, I will select image, enter a command SC enter. By clicking the first point, I get a scaled up image. Before starting a drafting, you have to create a layers. For that, I'll type LA, enter. You will get this kind of display. In that, by clicking new layer, as I am making a layer for wall, so wall, you can select any colors. Again, I am adding a layer for doors and windows. Okay. So we'll start from the kitchen. The size of a kitchen is 4 by 4 meters. So for that, I'll type L, enter. L is for line, enter. By clicking one point for the straight line, you have to always do a ortho on. You can also do it by F8. 4, enter. 4, enter. Wall thickness is 0.23, so I'll again draw a line of 0.23, enter. Then bedroom size is 5.5 meters by 4 meters, so length is 5.5 meters, so I'll do 5.5, enter, 4, enter. For the dining, I'll take approximately this area. So for that, L, enter. Again I am adding wall thickness. (1.5), enter. This is 4, enter, and the length is 4.9. For the next bedroom, again I'll add wall thickness 0.23, enter. Length is 4 meter and width is 4.3, so I'll enter 4.3 and 4. For the living room, L, enter. I am creating wall thickness 0.23. Length of the living room is 6.6 meters. So 6.6, enter, and 4.3. For the bathroom, as you can see in the image, it's a partition wall, so I'll add a thickness of partition wall 0.15 meters, and the length of the bathroom is 3 meters, so 3, enter. Width is 2 meters. Again I add wall thickness 0.15, enter, 2, enter, and length is also 2, so 2, enter. So I'll get a profile of WC. To add wall thickness, you have to type OFF, enter. Click on the midpoint, add a size of wall thickness which is as in the picture. All the dimensions are in 2 inch, so I am taking wall thickness outer side. So all these bathrooms walls are partition wall, so again I will type OFF, enter, select midpoint, entering 0.15, which is a dimension of partition wall, and selecting all that walls. I want to move all this center part, so I'll select that by entering M, enter, and move it to 0.5. So I'll get a perfect plan. To join all this line, I am using command fillet, FIL. By clicking on this all the lines with the help of shift command, to join this line, I'll select line and drag this blue point to a next line. So now I'll trim this all the center parts, or you can say adjoining parts, by using command TR. So you have to type a TR in a command line and then press enter double times. So type a TR, then enter and select that center part and click on that. As you can see, our plan is ready. In the next video, we'll see how to add doors and windows in the plan.